Hey, baking buddies, it's Cookie here with the latest crypto insights. Today, we're diving into Kamino's Points program and their upcoming token airdrop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for the latest updates. Let's get into it. Quick recap on Kamino Finance, a standout in Solana's blockchain. Not just any protocol, it's the fourth highest TVL, managing a whopping 246 million. Kamino's points program is here, and it promises to be a pretty good one. It's not just about earning points, it's about how these points lead to Kamino's upcoming token airdrop. You earn 1 point per dollar per day with multipliers for specific activities, boosting your earnings even more. Here's where things get even better. Kamino offers a 5x boost on points for borrowing assets like Solana, USDC, USDT, and USDH, and a 3x boost for lending those same assets. And for those new to USDH, it's a stablecoin issued by Hubble Protocol, partnered with Kamino Finance's developers. Kamino's all about inclusivity. You don't have to be a crypto whale to score big. Just stay active and you'll see your points grow. It's all about engaging and being a part of Kamino's community for the long haul. Now, let's talk strategy. I'm currently lending Sol and USDC to snag that 3x multiplier, but I'm eyeing that 5x boost. So I'm considering a borrowing position. It's all about leveraging all of these opportunities to maximize rewards, but I want to be careful to not overcomplicate the overarching airdrop strategy across all of the varying platforms and blockchains that I engage with. We're currently in season 1 of the points program. Check out Kamino's FAQs for the nitty gritty and get ready. The first Kamino token airdrop is expected between Q1 and Q2 of 2024. That's it, baking buddies. Kamino's point system and how I'm navigating it. Stay engaged, rack up those points, and prepare for the airdrop. Found this video helpful? Smash that like button, share it with your baking buddies, and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, guys, keep cooking in crypto, and I'll see you later.
Yeah, we in the building.